clicking today's video. Welcome to Koki'S Kitchen. My name is Faith. In case it's your first time, you're so much welcome. In case you're a returning subscriber, thank you for doing so. On today's episode, I am privileged to have a guest with me. I'll let her introduce herself. Karibu sana to Koki'S Kitchen.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Abigail. Koki here is my best friend. I'm so happy to be here this day on this channel. And you have to stay tuned, guys, because we have an amazing recipe for you.
Of course, and on today's recipe, we are going to be preparing butter chicken. So guys, let's get started. But then let me ask you, how did you feel when I pranked you? But then you guys watch that prank video. I pranked her that I was going to Switzerland.
And that day I was so surprised. Like, what is she telling me? Switzerland. and she has like 2 weeks before she travels.
Yeah, and I'm not going to be here, so we won't see
and
each other.
We won't meet. And she's telling me when she has like 2 weeks, guys. I felt like, is this the same girl I tell everything to?
Yeah.
And then she doesn't get to tell me something as big as traveling. And not just traveling out country.
Yeah.
I felt so bad, guys. Go watch that video. I got so pranked.
Yeah.
But it was nice.
It was an amazing video.
I almost cried. I was like, oh, this is my best friend. She doesn't tell me things. The way I open up to her. Guys, watch the video. Subscribe, like,
Thank you.
comment. Yeah. I'm doing my thing here, guys. This chicken is starting to brown. Well.
It looks nice.
And it smells nice too, guys. The butter is really it's giving.
And like when you're putting kama ushapika, the butter will be on the sauce, not on the chicken itself. So this process is essential at this point to actually fry and brown your chicken using butter.
Guys, ain't you lucky? I'm so sure seeing you with the camera so
Students, you're keen, huh?
When I grow up, I want to be a chef. So, yeah, hanging around you, let me make the most out of it. But then guys, the butter is really doing the most. If you see how brown this chicken looks now, I'm gonna celebrate it, guys, but I want to ask for a piece. They look so nice.
So now we're going to go to the next step. Now the frying, yeah, you can do it. So the next step, we're going to set this aside. Then we start cooking the onions, tomatoes, and all that.
With the same pan?
Yeah, you can use the same pan. It's actually really nice when you use the same pan.
Yeah. You get all the juice.
Exactly.
The sausage.
Yeah.
Just look at that. Look at that.
Ooh, they look nice.
I cannot wait. Guys. I wish you guys, there was a way you guys could feel the scent, the
aroma.
aroma. Sorry.
Yeah.
The aroma that is coming from this.
Amazing. Ooh, I'm loving this.
Trust the process.
Indeed.
Finally, I'm about to eat.
So we are going to let the spices cook and incorporate with the chicken for like 5 minutes. Then we come back. So we're going to mix this with water. This is corn flour. Yeah. You're adding corn flour. Yeah. You're going to add it to the chicken. What's the essence of this corn flour? So it's going to give us a thick paste. We're going to have a soup, but it's going to be thick. Okay. Yeah.
Like I've been seeing people use corn flour, but not state the reason.
Yeah.
So, I think the chicken actually looks milky. Yeah, it looks milky. Guys, did you hear that? It looks milky. Milky. Do you have a Canadian boyfriend?
Me.
Yeah. What? Milky. That sounds like a Canadian rabbit.
So, just to mention, the water that mixed the corn flour should be cold water. So,
Okay. Okay.
so we're just going to let this cook, and it's a wrap. So you can see the way the soup is thick. That's the effect of corn flour.
Yeah, it is so thin.
Yeah, looks amazing.
Looks juicy.
I know. Look at this.
Look at that soup. Oh my god.
Mhm. And our food is ready. As simple as that, you have yourself the best butter chicken ever. So, my guest, karibu sana.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Guys, I've been waiting for this moment. Even salivating. Look at how it is. This piece is so pretty. Guys, this is the best, guys.
Thank you.
Follow these girls, subscribe so that you get to cook yourself this type of meal.
Yeah.
Because I assure you, you're going to love this. The spices are well blended.
Yeah.
With the chicken.
Yeah.
And actually, guys, that point about the butter, I can actually feel the
You
butter.
can feel the butter in the chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the chicken, I can when I'm biting. Let me do it again.
Hey.
Guys, you feel the butter. The flavor is so rich, guys. Those that have been adding butter at the end of the
Yeah.
soup or something,
Yeah.
try this
method.
and you will love it.
You'll love it.
It's so delicious.
Thank you so much for coming to my channel.
Welcome.
It's
Have me
amazing.
again. Have me again.
Okay.
Let's cook.
I
and
really
eat.
want to give you the spirit of cooking more and more.
I
You
know,
know,
right?
Yeah. I mean, I'm your bestie. You should know how to cook these things. Give me a piece. You're cute. Anyway, guys, till next time. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. Let's eat.
Yeah.